In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate multiple tasks in Wrike in just 5 minutes. This process will streamline your workflow, especially for projects or sets of tasks you need to replicate frequently. The most efficient way to handle this duplication is by duplicating the entire folder or project containing the tasks you want. Once duplicated, you can select the specific tasks to move to your desired location. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Wrike. Once you've reached the website, you'll see options to either log in or try Wrike for free if you don't already have an account. Logging in is straightforward if you're an existing user. Just enter your credentials and click on the Login button. If you're new to Wrike, go ahead and click on Try Wrike for free to create an account and get started. Next, you'll need to set up a folder or project containing the set of tasks you wish to duplicate. Think of this as the foundation of your duplication process. Organizing your tasks into a folder or project will allow you to easily manage and, ultimately, copy them. Once your tasks are neatly set into this structure, we can move on to the duplication process. Now, navigate through the Wrike folder tree to locate the specific folder or project you've just set up. Once you've found it, you're just a couple of clicks away from duplicating it. Right-click on the desired folder or project, and you'll see a menu appear. From this menu, select Duplicate. This option initiates the duplication process for the entire folder or project, allowing you to manage large sets of tasks efficiently. After selecting Duplicate, you'll be prompted to configure the duplication settings. Here, you can customize the new duplicate by adjusting its name, selecting its location, and adding a prefix if needed. Most importantly, ensure that you choose which specific content within the project or folder you'd like to copy. This flexibility lets you manage just what's needed, whether it's all the tasks or just a select few. Finally, complete the duplication process. Wrike will handle the heavy lifting, creating a duplicate folder or project, complete with all the configurations you've defined. Once the duplication is complete, you can easily navigate to the new folder or project and make any additional adjustments or move specific tasks as needed. And there you have it. Duplicating tasks in Wrike can greatly improve efficiency and keep your workflow organized and headache-free. This method is particularly helpful in collaborative environments or if you often handle complex projects with repeating task structures. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you work smarter, not harder, in Wrike. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.